Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by signing in with your trading ID and completing two-factor authentication. This verifies you. Once logged in, go straight to Account or Security Settings. Do not browse elsewhere. You need to confirm your identity using the current password, phone OTP, or authenticator token. Enter those details now so the system allows password updates. This step prevents unauthorized changes. It's quick and enforces platform security policies before you proceed to create a new password. Now you craft a strong replacement. Use a passphrase or manager-generated string that meets minimum length and character rules, symbols, digits, uppercase and lowercase, to resist brute force. Type it into the new password field and then confirm exactly. Mismatches are the most common error. Once done, the system may ask for a final OTP or security question. Provide that promptly. Make sure to update any linked apps or API keys that use the old password so automated systems keep working. Finish by saving changes and watching for a confirmation message or email. Then log out and immediately log back in to verify the new password functions across web and mobile. Make sure you update your password manager and any trading bots or API connections that use the old credential. If something goes wrong, if you cannot log in or 2FA fails, use the platform's account recovery flow or contact support quickly. Most issues stem from cached sessions or mismatched credentials, which they can resolve.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.